Welcome back. We are now moving into programs that combine something we've learned. Our first problem is removing duplicate elements from a list. We will achieve this using a for loop and conditional logic without relying on advanced data structures like sets. 1. Setup and initialization. We start with a list containing duplicate numbers. We must create an empty list, which we'll call unique_list, to store the elements that pass our uniqueness check. This empty list is the key to tracking items we have already processed. 2. Iteration and condition. We use a for loop to check every element in the original data_list. Inside the loop, the if statement performs the check. Is the current number not in the unique_list already? The not in operator is perfect for this type of membership check. 3. Result display and analysis. The final unique list is now ready. The crucial logic here is that the unique_list grows with unique items, and the not in check uses this growing list as a historical record to decide whether to admit the current number. To summarize, removing duplicates by manually checking for membership in a secondary list is a classic looping pattern. It is a demonstration of using a loop to get a filtered collection of data. Our next lecture 09-17. More programs, count vowels in a word. See you there.